Welcome back. Today we're going to be installing the skid plates back on that I took out. I'm still missing 3 bolts, but there we are here. So I'm going to try to get you in as much as possible so that you can see. You will need a 12 millimeter for this. We're going to get under the vehicle. It's a little tight, but the first bolt is going to go basically right there. Second bolt would go here. It's going to need to be cleaned before I put a bolt in it. And then the other two, I don't know where they go. I'll find them. I think they go up here. I'm not sure. Yeah, they screw in somewhere up here. So it looks like that had a torque on it. I did tighten that up. It does still look like it's leaking. Yeah, they go right here. So the back skid plate connects here and here under the oil pan, and the front skid plate covers all of this and connects here. So without further ado, we'll get started the best we can. So you don't want to forget your bolts. I've seemed to lost one. Nope, I found it. So I'll cut you off for a minute. Alright, so I got the back one on. Now the front one, you got to hook it in. So there's the hook, there's the hook, and then these 2 hooks will actually go up here. So I can't really, it's kind of hard to show you. There's hooks there. So they just sit in there, and then the screws will go under here. And there's 3 screws here. And then the 2 screws actually screw in this. If this was mounted properly with the extra bolt, it would be better. So carry on, my wayward son. Okay, so I didn't want to take you along for that one because it really kicked my butt. But what I ended up doing was I took a bolt from the front skid plate that mounts back here, and I went ahead and stabilized the rear skid plate because I couldn't get the front one back on. So I stabilized the rear one, and then it took me forever to fight it to get these lined up just because I cannot fit under here very well. So, and then of course I got the front 3 on. So skid plate installation, short video, I know. Sorry I didn't get to take you along with me. I just don't have anyone to hold the camera, and it took me quite a minute. So anyway, done. Thanks.